right, so we're in the trailer now, and I've got to figure out a way to mark the top. I don't want to put holes in the top here because this is just one sheet of aluminum on top, and there's like no correlating screws even on the outside trim. There's no screws that are trimmed into these crossbars. They're attached to this metal L angle, so it's pretty much impossible to see where this is from the top without doing something. And I'm just using a nut driver with a kind of a blunt tip because I don't want to punch through the aluminum, obviously. So I'm going to put a few marks here. So just remember, we're on the front. That's going to work. That should work. So we'll get up, after we do this, we'll get up and pop a line or draw a straight line across, and then we'll know where everything is. Yeah, that looks good. All right, that's our marks. We should be able to see those up top. Actually, I'm going to check real fast. Yeah, they show up good. Okay, so we're good. So we'll get up and I'll get my longer level and we'll draw a line across, and then we'll know where all the screws and stuff have to go. All right, we're up on the, obviously we're up on the trailer, and I've got my marks that I put on from underneath, and they're showing up pretty good. So I'm just going to draw a line across them. Don't know if that's going to get it all the way. There's that one. Go ahead and extend it a little bit. Each side. Trying to stand on the beams, but actually this metal is pretty thick on top of this, so seems like it would hold us actually. See if we can get one of these mounted. I still got to hook the wires and stuff up, so this is temporary. I just kind of wanted to see where the screws were lining up, and if we have to patch that hole, we'll patch the hole, and we'll go from there. So we're going to go ahead and get down and get the wires up here, because truth be told, I forgot about the wires. So
yep, same.
We got to go get them. All right, back up here with wires, and hopefully I'm going to remember how these things plug in. If not, we'll have to pause and go from there. So these are, I do know that these are what you need if you have multiple panels. If you don't have multiple panels, you're just going to have two wires coming off of each one, and that's that. So if memory serves me correctly, I think these are hard to mess up because they have male, female for positive and negative. So let me see what the best way to show you guys. Oh, yeah, there you go. So that's kind of hard to mess up. So this should just plug into, these should just plug into the other one, right? And then that joins them together. So I probably do need a zip tie cutter for this one. I know that a real good cut would be good for views right now, but I don't really want to do that to myself. So one thing to keep in mind while we're fast forwarding this video, once you plug these in, the end of these wires are going to be hot, but I think it comes out at like 20 something volts, so I don't really know if it's dangerous or not, but I kind of remember the last time I did this there was some sparking going on. So just keep in mind that once you plug these things in, these jokers start putting electricity out like right away. They're very efficient. They were much more efficient than I thought they were. On cloudy days, it's amazing what you get out of them even on cloudy days. So it's all hooked up now. I just got to get it repositioned. We don't want to screw through the wires. Again, if you see I'm not pushing down here, I'm on the frame, so I think that's okay. Go ahead and get everything all done, and then I'll pull the screws out individually and seal them, and we will pick that plastic up. The other thing for the 6 screws that aren't on beams, I'm definitely going to have to like cut the bottom of them, because this trailer is not over 6 foot, so when you go in you got to bend over and stuff, so you don't want to be standing up into a screw. That would hurt. Yep. All right, now let's see if we can get down.